So today I'm sharing my DIY lip balm recipe with you. I know a lot of people don't have time to do DIY projects, but if you can spare about 20 minutes out of your day, then this is something you can easily accomplish. The best thing about this recipe is, as I'm making it myself, I know for a fact that there are zero chemicals in it because everything I'm using is organic and all natural. And honestly, that's why I started to become interested in DIY beauty products. Because I know what my products are made up of. I know there are no chemicals and I know exactly what I'm putting into it. And that unfortunately something I can't say for a lot of beauty products out there. So, you know, something to consider. Before we move ahead with the video, just want to let you know that you can watch my previous video which talks about the harmful effects of lipstick. Consider watching it as it throws light on the kind of chemicals used in your lipstick. So for this recipe, I am taking 2 teaspoons of shea butter, of almond oil, and 2 vitamin E capsules. Now you need to melt all the ingredients using a double boiler method. Once everything is melted, you can add your choice of essential oils to add fragrance. If you're making a plain lip balm, then you can now add it to a storage container and keep it aside. Within 30 minutes, you will see that your lip balm is set and you can start using it. I am separating a little in another bowl to combine it with beetroot juice. It will take some time for the juice to get combined with the lip balm mixture. You have to ensure that you are mixing it quickly, otherwise the wax will start solidifying. Now, this is a little tough part of making a colored lip balm. You have to keep mixing it for about 3 to 4 minutes to get a smooth texture. Then you can transfer it to your desired container, and within 30 minutes, it's ready. Click here to see how you can make your DIY cucumber gel. Summer is a time to relish some refreshing lemon juice. Click here to see this little chef making nimbu juice.